You will fall in love with this custom-built home by George Delfino on a 1-acre lot in Northwest Bakersfield. This property features a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home that includes a 3-car garage, RV parking, and a 6 to 8 car shop. This home has a split wing, plantation shutters, tray ceilings, recessed lighting, an indoor laundry room, and central vac. Entering this home, you find a formal elegant dining area, formal living, a great room with fireplace, beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, breakfast bar, an island with a sink, and an oversized pantry. The master suite with his and her walk-in closets has access to the backyard and a full bathroom. This stunning backyard has a large covered patio, a custom rock lap pool, regular pool, stone waterfalls, a spa, and a block wall surrounding the property. The large shop offers parking for several cars or an RV. It's got an office, an exercise room, and a 3-quarter bath. To schedule a private showing, call Team Busby at 661-410-7355. For more details, photos, and a virtual tour of this beautiful property, visit teambusby.com.